This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at a stock here that had a good run from 2013 to about 2016. So this big run up. Now keep in mind, this is after spending some couple of years down to sideways. So from the highs here, you can see after spending so many years down and sideways, finally there was an uptick in momentum somewhere here. And there was another breakout here. I'll show that in a second. So of course it is desirable for us to understand what could have changed during this period here and this breakout period here. So what I'm going to do is zoom in. Now keep in mind, this is 8 years in the making. And what do I mean by that? If you take the highs here to the lows right there, where we have this momentum start coming back in the stock, you would have saved yourself 8 years if you would have known what to do or what to recognize here and this breakout here. So in other words, understanding where you have momentum can actually save you time. Rather than have your money be dead or losing, you can wait for certain parameters to be met, and that can help you be part of a recovery to the upside. So I'm going to zoom into this time period here, pay more emphasis to the 2013 area where there's change in momentum. All right, let's go to the next chart. By the way, I should have mentioned this is from 1990 on a monthly, of course, to 2019. All right, lots of data. All right, here we've zoomed in. Now you can see the change in momentum here, and then there's another breakout after 1 month of rest. So what was different? Well, let me share with you one of the things that was different, and it's one of the minimum requirements we look for. There should be more information in the description of the video. Here we can see that the RSI was moving to 3-year highs. We can also see here again that the RSI was moving to 3-year highs. So that's one of the minimum requirements we look for, and it was met. So rather than hold the stock for 8 years, it's better to wait for these minimum requirements to be met. Also, we can see in that same time frame, one of our MACDs was also moving to 3-year highs. In fact, we can even say both MACDs were moving to 3-year highs by the time we roll into 2013. So there you have it. Rather than hold a stock for years with no action, as we saw here, you are better off waiting for the minimum requirements to be met, and that is why you would have had an opportunity either to enter here or here before the successful move to the upside. Minimum requirements are explained in the description of the video. Peace and blessings. E-A-C-S.